I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I get dressed. I get dressed. Tomorrow, I will have breakfast. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat eggs. I drink milk. I drink milk. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I feel happy. I feel happy. What's that? What's that? I find a map. I find a map. I open the map. I open the map. I follow the path. I follow the path. I walk carefully. I walk carefully. I see a castle. I see a castle. I enter the castle. I enter the castle. I look around. I look around. I see a wizard. I see a wizard. I say hello. I say hello. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I take the key. I take the key. The 10 sphingataras that shimmer with a soft light. I hold the key. I hold the key. I open the door. I open the door. I walk inside. I walk inside. I see treasure. I see treasure. Whoa! I can't believe it. It's a friendly dragon. I meet a dragon. I meet a dragon. I smile at him. I smile at him. I talk to him. I talk to him. We become friends. We become friends. We fly together. We fly to get together. We climb the mountain. We climb the mountain. We see crystals. We see crystals. We explore a cave. We explore a cave. We find a light. We find a light. We follow it. We follow it. A secret door. We find a secret door. I open the door. I open the door. I enter the room. I enter the room. I see a book. I see a book. I see a book. I read the book. I read the book. I learn magic. I learn magic. I see a portal. I see a portal. I walk forward. I walk forward. I enter the portal. I visit a new world. I visit a new world.
I feel excited.
I feel excited. I see my home. I see my home. I return home. I return home. I tell my story. I tell my story. I thank my friends. I thank my friends. I feel proud. I feel proud. I am ready for tomorrow. I am ready for tomorrow. I am ready for a new adventure. I am ready for a new adventure.